The big breaking news that's coming in right now, India is hitting back after the Pak attempted drone strikes, and reports suggesting right now that explosions have been heard in Islamabad, in Rawalpindi, as well as in Lahore. Now, this is the information that's just coming in. Our sources telling us that there have been multiple reports right now of explosions that have been heard in Islamabad and Rawalpindi and Lahore. Now, if we get that confirmation also that these are now as a part of retaliatory strikes by India, it means it's the very first time we're seeing, essentially in the course of the last few days, when we've been seeing these kind of strikes by India and counter strikes largely, it's for the very first time that we're seeing Islamabad also being hit. Now, the nature of these strikes, exactly where in these cities has it happened, all of those are details we're awaiting right now. But Islamabad, Rawalpindi, Lahore is where there are reports suggesting that there have been explosions reported. Rawalpindi Army headquarters, so there you've got messaging. It'll be the second time essentially that India is hitting Rawalpindi, when previously in our counter strikes we targeted military establishments and hit also a cricket stadium very, very close to the army headquarters. Lahore, we brought down the missile defense system, the HQ-60 that was based in Lahore. So essentially Pakistan was defenseless in the skies in Lahore. But this is for the very first time, if these reports hold good, that we are going to be seeing Islamabad also being hit. I want to bring in Shivani Sharma for more details on what's really happening at this point. Shivani, what are you hearing from your sources? There are reports suggesting there have been explosions in Islamabad, in Rawalpindi, in Lahore.
Akshita, what we are hearing from the sources is that India has hit Pakistan in several places, including Lahore, Islamabad, and Rawalpindi, where there are substantial damages to Pakistan. And this is still emerging, the visuals that we see from the sources and the Pakistani media that has been reporting that there are explosions in these areas where in Pakistan, in Lahore, it's the HQ 16 systems have been destroyed. The air defense systems were already destroyed, as we were reporting 2 days back also. And today, again, after Pakistan had directed the drones towards Indian civil population areas and different areas, the Indian forces have struck back, and there are substantial damages towards Pakistan side. So we have to wait for more information to flow in, and the official confirmation yet that is not available, but we can also understand through the initial inputs that we are getting that there is strike against Pakistan in these places on the military establishments, of course, because India has been quite focused in its measure, and it has been focusing only on the military establishments of Pakistan. So these are the pictures that we see, and we can understand from these pictures and the information that's flowing in that India has hit Pakistan in places, and Lahore is also one of them. Lahore, Karachi, Islamabad.
Okay. Lahore, Karachi, Islamabad is what Shivani is telling us. Shivani, just stay with me as we're getting these latest updates. It's a developing situation, but we've got videos verified for you from different parts of Pakistan. These are videos shot by locals soon after the explosion is reported. You see plumes of smoke there on seemingly a highway or a road. But let's get you some of those videos to understand really the impact of some of these counter strikes.
भाईजान नूर खान बेस में आके गिरा है, ये अटैक हुआ है नूर खान बेस पे, बिल्कुल घर के सामने। अभी एक जहाज गुजरा है और ये नूर खान बेस के ऊपर अटैक हुआ है।
ये एक और त्यारा उधर से गुजरा है, वो देखें, एक और अटैक। अल्लाह खैर करे, ये धमाके की आवाज़ भी बहुत ऊंची होती है। ये एक और त्यारा फायर करता सीधा आपके निकल गया, और धमाका आपने सुन लिया।
भाईजान नूर खान बेस में आके गिरा है, ये अटैक हुआ है नूर खान बेस पे, बिल्कुल घर के सामने। अभी एक जहाज़ गुजरा है और ये नूर खान बेस के ऊपर अटैक हुआ है।
ये एक और त्यारा उधर से गुजरा है, वो देखें, एक और अटैक।
Okay, so you heard there in the audio, there's a mention of Noor Khan base. We'll get your details of exactly where that is because the local constantly keeps saying, this is in the Noor Khan base. But more videos coming in. We showed you some of them. Let's take a look at what's happening really. These are the visuals that we've been showing you on the right of your screen. Take a look at this.
ये ड्रोन गिरा अभी यहाँ पे आके, वो आगे वो देखें आग लगी हुई। ये ड्रोन गिरा अभी फेज 6 में। ये ड्रोन गिरा अभी यहाँ पे आके, वो आगे वो देखें आग लगी हुई। ये ड्रोन गिरा अभी फेज 6 में। ये ड्रोन गिरा अभी यहाँ पे आके, वो आगे वो देखें आग लगी हुई। ये ड्रोन गिरा अभी फेज 6 में। ये ड्रोन गिरा अभी यहाँ पे आके, वो आगे वो देखें आग लगी हुई। ये ड्रोन गिरा अभी फेज 6 में। ये ड्रोन गिरा अभी यहाँ पे आके, वो आगे वो देखें आग लगी हुई। ये ड्रोन गिरा अभी फेज 6 में। ये ड्रोन गिरा अभी यहाँ पे आके, वो आगे वो देखें आग लगी हुई। ये ड्रोन गिरा अभी फेज 6।
Okay, so there you have it. Those are the videos that we've accessed. We played out all of them for you, shot by locals from different locations. They talk about really the impact soon after the strikes have taken place. There's a mention of different locations. So we're just kind of putting it together, piecing it together for all of you, for our viewers, on what's happened where and where exactly each of these videos have been shot. So we'll put out those details for you briefly. Shivani is still with us, getting us those details of what's really happened at this point. Shivani, Noor Khan base, this is referred to by a local repeatedly. Where exactly is this? Can you confirm that for us? Because there are some reports suggesting that the Pak Air Base in Rawalpindi has been hit. Okay, we've lost a connection with Shivani. We're just going to connect with her to get you more details really on what's happening at this point. But we are hearing, and our sources are telling us that there have been reports of blasts at the Pakistan Air Force Base. This has happened in Rawalpindi, the army headquarters also. So at the Air Force Base of Rawalpindi is where we've seen these blasts taking place. And we're playing out all of these videos that have come in from locals, showing you the impact of the counter strikes. This has happened just hours away, mind you, viewers, from Pakistan's series of drones being sent into Indian soil. And that's clearly a message that India is sending across. What we've been saying from day one, that our steps right now are non-escalatory. But having said that, if you take us on, if you try to target our civilians, if you try to target our military, we will ensure we hit back. This is a no-nonsense approach, that if you try to strike us once, we'll strike you 10 times harder. And that really is the message government and our forces have really been sending across to Pakistan. It's in line with that right now you're seeing these series of blasts taking place in different parts of Pakistan. So Rawalpindi, Lahore, Karachi, we're getting information of these blasts being heard. And we're going to be connecting also with our reporters to get you more details on what they're picking up right now from different parts of Pakistan. All these videos that we're playing out that you can hear the audio of, these are all videos shot by locals who talk about the impact of either you see a massive raging fire or in some cases just plumes of smoke, evident that something has struck in these particular spots. So these are videos that we're now piecing together to understand that, look, there has been a massive counter-strike by India. Previously, too, we did see that along the border, India has been firing back, while Pakistan has been targeting our civilians along the LOC, particularly in Poonch and Uri. Now we're giving it back, and how? We understand there's been heavy artillery firing by the Indian side at the Pakistan army too. Unlike them, of course, we don't target civilian setups, and that still remains the case. No matter what level the provocation really is, it's clear going by these images at this point that even now we are maintaining that our target is military establishments. Pakistan is attacking both military and civilian bases. We're not doing that. That's a line we've drawn, and come what may, we're not going to be targeting innocent Pakistanis, which is why we are going ahead and continuing our clear systematic, precise targeting of military establishments. And so now the information that's come in is that these are Air Force bases of Pakistan that's been targeted in different locations.